Hmm. All right. Live. Nice. Okay, so I've been doing a little fiddling, and I know yesterday's streams kept going in and out. I really hope that doesn't happen today. If it does, I'll just do the Discord method again of streaming it on a Discord call in the official Discord, which is in the link below for those of you who find it interesting to join. I've been I fixed the error from yesterday, and I don't know how. So what happened is that I went on Reddit and I went to the Hammer Editor community and I was like, "Hey, this is my issue." I showed a video and I'm like, "I don't understand what's happening." Someone's like, "Oh yeah, you just have a leak." And I'm like, "I kind of figured that, but my skybox, I didn't change it. It's been perfectly fine the entire time. I don't think it's the skybox that's the problem." So as you can see, the skybox is completely different now, much smaller. The landmass is way smaller as well. Because I just remade this landmass like so many times, and I didn't understand what the problem was. Every time I remade this, it would work perfectly fine until I started painting the alpha channel. And as you can probably guess, it works now, but I don't know why. So they told me that, oh yeah, you just have a leak, look for a point file. And I had kind of figured to look for a point file, but here's what happens when you load a point file. Oh, okay, wait. Well, because there's no problem, it doesn't load it automatically. But when you load a point file, it shows you a red line to the problem, which is genius, honestly. I love that feature. The problem is that there was just a giant red line through like from about right here straight up through the skybox. So I'm like, okay, must be the skybox. So I deleted the skybox and I made a smaller one that fixed fuck all. So I deleted the spinny thing and that also did nothing. So I replaced the spinny thing and tried again. I didn't change anything. I'm like, well, I don't know what it could be. And then it just started working. I don't fucking know how. It's not like I remade this thing from scratch. I just copy pasted the model from a previous save. So I have no idea what fixed the problem. I have no idea what caused the problem. But we're just going to pray that it doesn't happen again. So I'm going to go on Gmod and we're going to... Is it? Okay, there we go. So we're going to test because I just messed a little bit with the entity system. I want to make this... My goal today is to make an island map. So to make a base, like for the bottom of the ocean, make the ocean, and then make this little thing an island. I think that could be interesting. And I think what I'm gonna do is make just like keep this landmass kind of the size that it is. We're gonna sculpt it eventually and all that fun stuff. And we are going to figure it out. That's all we can do. All right, cool. So as you can see now, we're not having. I don't understand what this pop-up is. So as you can see now, the fizz gun does not fuck up, and everything works fine now. Why? I don't know, but it does. So we're not going to question it. All right, so this, let's see if it works. No. Why am I stuck? Yeah, I don't understand how I broke this. There is an entity spawner that's supposed to... Oh, wait a minute. I realized my problem. I didn't do this. I have to export it again. I'm gonna save the file, and then I'm gonna run map. I completely forgot to do all of those. Okay. Come on, compile window. Taking a little bit. Well, I don't know where the compile window is. That's a tiny problem. I like the compile window. It's helpful. It tells me when I fucked up. And that is often, so I really like when it tells me what has fucked up. Okay. Why is it not popping up? Well, in this we trust, or we kind of just have to. Just have to hope it worked. Alright. Come on, let's see. Please. Okay, we're having not responding issues. Going back into Hammer, is there... Okay, no, it's still like slightly frozen. Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna check the... Oh, okay, wait, no. Gmon's working again, so... There we go. Oh, okay, entity spawner works. There's a Vortigon right there. Do they respond to... Hold on, I want to see if this works. Do they not have collision? They don't have... Oh, it's because there's no mesh with the map, right? Wait, if I... Okay, no, they work. Yeah, there's no nav mesh. I see what the problem is. There's no... You can hit me? Oh. I didn't think the op would insta-kill it. Okay. Or at least not a shot to the foot. That does nothing. Okay, cool. So, entity spawner works. I just think we need a nav mesh in the map. But first off, I want to go back to the map. I want to check this. I gotta find a faster way to get into the properties menu because I'm really disliking having to go over to the separate window, right-click on the tiny thing in the properties. Alright, pitch, roll, yaw. No, we don't need to change that. Start. Prop starts to fade. And fade distance, we don't need to do that. Minimum light level. Outputs. Let's try an output. On player use, that sounds about right. Target entities named. I don't think we need to do that. Via this output, add max children. Add max... Oh, wait, no, these are development terms. Okay. Set speed, spawn, stat. Stat looks about right. Stat backward. Set locked angles, fire user. Let's do add output with a parameter. We don't have a parameter option. Parameter override. I don't know how that works. Oh, input, mark, on player use. Target entity is aimed at player? No, that's not acceptable. Can we pick? No. What the fuck does that do? Alright, I have no clue what this does. So, what does it mean by once? Fire once only. No. Via this output, add output? No, let's go to stat. Let's see what that does. Oh, that says start. That doesn't say stat. Start forward. That says start forward. Okay, so let's try kill. Let's see what that does. On player use kill. That'd be really funny. Alright, I think it's applied. So, we are going to go and export it again. Wait for that all to load. Oh, no. We want a nav mesh. Map, entity report, entity gallery, check for problems, diff map file, load point file, map properties. That's probably what it's under. Brush entities, point entities. No, I don't need that. Tools? Make column, move to world texture application. Create prefab. No, I don't think that's right. Hmm. View. None of these look about right. I feel like it has to be. Excuse me. I feel like it has to be in map settings. Entity gallery? This will place one of every possible entity in the current map. Performing this operation in an empty map is recommended. Continue? No. Hmm. Hey, not much. Just trying to figure out hammer again, which is not very simple, easy, or particularly great. I want to carve this area. Hammer crashed. Okay, cool. Wait, fuck, did I save that? No, I don't think I did. Oh well. Oh, it's not like it's that much progress. Bin, hammer. I probably carved the wrong thing. That probably wasn't a good idea. I probably should have been a bit more careful what I was looking at. Did not shut down correctly last time it was used. Would you like to use the last saved file? Yes, thank you. Basic reloading features. I love it. Where's hammer? Okay, for some reason it's on this screen. There we go. Perfect. Well, not perfect. It's actually pretty flawed. Quite flawed, actually. Okay, did we fix this on our last attempt? Fuck, how do I get into this thing? You little bastard. How do I open the properties menu? Okay, what's the fucking keyboard shortcut or property window in Hammer editor? Hammer hotkey reference, thank you. God damn it, why is there so many? File operations, nope. Open up object properties. It's Alt-Enter. Oh, alright. So Alt-Enter is what we need to do. So, pop, Alt-Enter. There we go. Alright, now all this looks about right. Oh yeah, because we saved it last time. No shit. Alt-Enter. Outputs. Okay, no. Our outputs are fine. Can I lock it into place, actually? How can I lock it? Model? Sequence? Imply click? Emply click? Idle? No, let's try idle. Apply. Flags to this group. I can't. To view input originator. Misa, no understand. Alright. Let's see what this all does. And pray it doesn't break again. So we're going to export again. Pray it doesn't crash again. We got a pop-up. Alright. Save. Save. Run map. Okay. We have a compile window. Alright. Is there any issues in the log? So far, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, no, it doesn't say there's any errors. Yeah, I'm not seeing any worrying statements in the compile window, so it looks like we're good. All right, we're going to test this again then. And we're gonna hope that it's the right version. All right, so Beeg V2. Let's try it. Did I start the streams at like 7 yesterday? Or 10? I don't remember. I think I had like better success when I was um, doing them earlier. Maybe earlier times on these days is better. All right, gonna load. Lua started, fully connected, ready to play. Cool. All right, Vortigaunt summoned. Good. I gotta learn how to make a whack not install. I still don't know what this is. I should just delete some of my add-ons. All right. First off, does it? Okay, yeah, I should have expected that. Well, now we're getting an interaction sound. Okay, yeah, these guys still don't, like, have sentience yet. We're gonna go Half-Life 2. Oh, that's not Half-Life 2. Okay, yeah, they still don't have, a nav mesh. How do I make... Actually, no, we're not going to focus on making a nav mesh yet, because nav meshes are very taxing. So we're going to focus on making... Let's focus on making the sand, alright? But let's focus on that first. This is our skybox. So we're going to want sand to go all the way to the edge. So we're going to want... from here to... I'm not in the right spot, am I? No, I feel like I'm very, very off. Oh yeah, that was like way off. Okay, we're gonna just send all the way here. And all the way here. And we're gonna make it go all the way down there. But I want to make sure it's still in the skybox. Let's give it a little leeway, actually. Let's not leave it all the way at the bottom. Let's also make sure it doesn't go too far. Okay, so it's good on those fronts. So let's... I'm pretty sure the nav mesh is basically a layer you put over all your terrain, though I don't even know if the nav mesh is half of it. The entities might need AI to be applied to. No, what the nav mesh does is that since they're on a Nextbot system, they only need a nav mesh to be able to say where they go. The Nextbot AI is already built into them because these are pre-installed PCs. They're all NPCs. They're all from Half-Life. So I'm not worried about like coding an AI for them. You can code custom AIs for them, I believe, but it's like I'm perfectly fine with that. It's just it's something that'll happen later. But you are right though. Navmesh does go on all terrain to tell them if they can or can't, like where they can and cannot go. It's not a perfect system, not by a long shot, but you know, not the worst system. I mean, to be fair, it's inspired a lot of other systems as well. Replace. We're gonna replace with sand. Sand. Okay, then I guess AI is just behavioral stuff, but yeah, I've already heard a little bit about the nav mesh system. Yeah, the Half-Life nav mesh system, if I'm not mistaken, is actually one of the systems that inspired a lot of other ones. 6 textures replaced. All right, how does that look? Looks like shit. I'm gonna see if I can replace that actually. Where do I need to? I need to go to the Alt A menu. Displacement, invert alpha. Does that look better? Oh, actually, wait. No, I need to create the faces. Boop. Invert alpha. No, yeah, the invert looks way better. I like the invert a lot more. Then we can paint it as much as we like later. We can sculpt it a little bit. I'm curious how sculpting looks. Push, carve. Yeah, let's push a little bit. Let's see what we can do. let's try and make a little bit of texture, and then if it fucks up, we'll see what we can do. And then can we smooth it? Let's see if we can go into paint geometry and smooth. Yeah, smooth doesn't seem to even do much. Does it do fucking anything? Hold on, let's try distance and radiance while we have smooth available to us. Oh yeah, wait, no, smooth does do something. You just have to like have it really high up to notice anything. Alright. So we did a little bit of that. Should we paint alpha a little bit? Yeah, let's paint him a little bit. Oh wait, I need to do this. Let's just do a little bit of that. Alright. Let's see if we fucked anything up. So we're going to save. Alright, saving the file. We are going to export again. Perfect. And we are going to run map. Let's see if we have any. Alright, compile process window. Nothing looks out of the ordinary. That looks awesome. Please work. Okay, wait, let's scroll up. Any portal issues. Warning, map uses 4 displacements, terrain physics cannot be compressed. Map will additional memory and see. Oh, no, that's fine. Alright, no errors. So it looks like we should be fine. I just realized Gmod has been up the entire time. You didn't even see what I made. But you know what? That gives you even more of a surprise of what it'll be. I need to remember to close the Gmod window when I have the hammer editor window up. Or when I'm using the hammer editor window. But, not really surprised that Half-Life pioneered a lot of stuff and inspired a lot. Pretty sure it inspired the idea of environments having little... yeah, it did. Half-Life, or the original Half-Life from 1999 was one of the biggest innovators in 3D shooters. It took a lot of inspiration off of Doom, but there's a reason that so many people cite Half-Life as just like one of the best games of all time. It really is. It innovated so much on Nextbot NPC systems. It innovated a lot on environments, and the Source engine was given to the public so early in development, or not development, so early into its like lifespan that hundreds of, possibly thousands of programmers have gotten their start because of the Source engine. And it's honestly incredible what Half-Life did for gaming, inadvertently and purposefully. Like, these environments, yeah, they look kind of like shit. Well, okay. Well, this is just, like, more modern textures. Like, this environment looks like shit right now. But the fact that I can make it at all is because they allow Hammer Editor as a free software to the people to be able to make maps for their games. And that was truly innovative, because a lot of companies really didn't do that. Like, CryEngine is one that came off of a game that's a little bit more recent, but no one knows about it. Not no one knows about it, it's just not very popular. And, like, it's incredible. I think it helped inspire Unreal Engine a little bit. I don't remember. I can't say that as a fact. Yeah, no, I can't factually state that. I don't 100% know. I think it inspired parts of the Unreal Engine, or at least the original version of the Unreal Engine. Again, can't state that as a definitive fact, but, you know. Alright, let's make a water. Should we make water yet? No, let's start finalizing some of this bottom terrain. Yeah, let's keep sculpting it. Oh, wait. I have it open. But yeah, there's so many things that Half-Life... I could go on about this for ages. Half-Life is just such an incredible game that pioneered so much. Like, there's so much we even take for granted that we don't realize that Half-Life did. And I think it's both incredible and a little bit sad that there's some aspects of gaming that we kind of take for granted so simply, and it's literally because Half-Life inspired it. Definitely agree, and it probably did, though I think Unreal Engine sacrificing too much performance for graphical realism and whatnot. Apparently those tools are poorly optimized. Okay, that's the modern Unreal Engine. I'm talking about, like, UE1, UE2. I don't even remember what the original version of Unreal Engine was called. It was, like... It was one of those things where it's, like, the engine name, colon, and then whatever their titling for it was. Because, like, there's Gold Source, which came off of... No, wait, I think Gold Source was the original, actually. Um, I don't have, like... I don't remember everything. I remember a lot of it, but not all of it. Let's increase smooth... Additive? Attenuated. What does that do? Alright. So we can't do that. What if we paint geometry? Can I... Oh, wait, no. I can sculpt this a little bit more. Oh, wait, no. I don't want to smooth. I want to raise. Ooh, no. A little bit too high. Yeah, early Unreal Engine is probably much more viable than the most recent one. I do like the idea of having the ability to go that graphically far, but well, I don't want to say that the older Unreal Engine is more viable. At the time of its creation, Unreal Engine was very popular because of its it wasn't free, but it was easier to license, I believe. I don't think it was free. I think when you start going that far, you need to start optimizing the hell out of your stuff before you can do that. Well, a lot of the optimization is about the developer. Really, in an engine, they can only optimize so much, like, as the creators of the engine. They can make the lighting system and particle systems as optimized as they physically can, but it also completely depends on if the developers can optimize it more and how they choose to go about it. So it's really like a lot of we take a lot of it for granted, to be completely honest with you, but it's very dependent on how you use the tools rather than the tools themselves a lot of the times. Like, yeah, there are parts of Unreal Engine that I do believe are like unoptimized, or not unoptimized. They're very gimmicky. Like the ultra realistic graphics. I mean, like a lot of people like that, but I just think it's overly gimmicky. I prefer Godot's more it's not even stylized graphics. Godot just has different it's just different features and different promises to the developer of how they can choose to use their tools. Right, I was saying that currently for your average developer with your average PC, the previous versions are probably better than most of the modern versions. Dependent. Unreal Engine 4, I think, is currently the most viable. Unreal Engine 5, I feel like, is very overkill. Unity is also pretty... minus their, like, kind of crappy business strategies, Unity is actually pretty viable game engine-wise, just because we have so many communities built around it, and it's just been around for so long. I don't even remember what the original version of Unity was called. I don't remember when it came out. I don't know what it's based off of either. I don't think it's based off of Unreal Engine. Because I can't say this for certain, but I think the Unreal Engine was based off of one of the source engines. I can't say that for certain. There's like some engines that were based completely off the source engine as its like initial starter, and then they just changed and fiddled around with shit. It's incredible though. Right. I'm starting to like some of this terraining actually. I quite like this. Let's paint a little bit of it, actually. I'm really enjoying making the map now, actually. This is actually really fun. I can understand why so many people get into game development through this. I'm not very good at it, but yeah, it's still fun. I feel like I need to change the value. I feel like it's either too low or too high. Yeah, like what the fuck? Alright, whatever. I'm starting to like this though. Does it look nice? Yeah, UE4 is definitely good, though the optimization problem is not having the right tools or environments for your concept is why I wanted to make a more flexible modular engine. Oh. I'm sorry, allergies for a moment. I got like post-nasal drip in my throat. Alright, yeah, UE4, the only thing I will say that UE4 is not very good with is 2D platformers. It's not that it's impossible to make them in there. It's just, it's not very good for that specifically, which I find is a little interesting. That it's a little weird. Let's go 15 by 15. I want to see what that does. Does it change how the sand looks? Honestly, I kind of like this a little bit more. Hey, Antonius Pie. It was just kind of this idea, I think I've told you before, having the ability... Yeah, I remember you told me that. That's why usually the only reason to make an engine is if you want something specific out of it. Like, what was that one game called? Oh yeah, yeah, you were mentioning Noita to me. That one has a custom engine because it just the premise of the game needed something completely new that never been done before. But games like Fez, I think it was called, also needed a new engine because again, feature that was completely new to anyone. That idea just well, not that the idea had never come to anyone. It's just no one had ever thought to do it before, and now it's possible in like any engine because they have the tools and ideas now, which I think is impressive. How not necessarily theft, but like utilizing other people's ideas and engines can help improve the game space for just everybody. I love it. Granted, there is a little bit of stealing, especially dependent on the company you're talking about, but smooth that a little bit. Let's smooth some of this out. I'm starting to really like this, actually. All right, cool. I'm gonna put my glasses on real quick. My eyes are starting to hurt. Wait, where's my glasses? Oh, my glasses are all the way over there. Most inconvenient spot possible because I fell asleep with them and had to put them somewhere. All right, there we go. Oh, cool. All right, let's keep sculpting a little bit. I want to push the sculpt menu over here. I know you can't see it in the stream, but it's kind of sculpt menu is a little obtrusive. Or just how it's placed. How am I doing this? Okay, yeah, I am going off this. Wait, so sculpting it, add another layer? Or is it just that many layers and sculpting it change? Wait, I need to go on a vertice so I can do this. Oh, sculpting just blows up that vertice. Okay, interesting. I wonder why it keeps just going for that one vertice. Interesting. Interesting. Let's go back to paint geometry. I think that actually no. Let's try changing the setting of the sculpt a little bit. Fall off, final, name direction. I don't really want to mess with X and Y because that gets a little fucky. Let's change it to adaptive instead of absolute. Okay, yeah, no, adaptive is a bit more interesting. All right, cool. I like adaptive a hell of a lot more. All right, yeah, this is looking nice. Oh no, yeah, adaptive is like way more efficient. Then I'm gonna probably need to smooth out some of it. Let's use the smoothing tool. Yeah. All right, and then the overall idea of this engine concept I had was to streamline people's ability to alter the engine to be more receptive of their unique idea. Of course, it's just an idea at the end of the day. Yeah, I don't think a modular engine is a bad idea. I think it'd just be very difficult to moderate it, I guess is the word I'm looking for. Maybe it's not the word I'm looking for. To standardize things, to be more efficient for that engine. All right, let's make a water. Actually, if it clips into things, is that bad? Let's fuck around and find out. That is the best way of developing things. There we go. All right, cool. Now we're about there. Fuck around and find out. Oh, okay, no, this is perfect. And then we're gonna browse. We're gonna go for water. Water. Let's go for the second water option. Why not? And then, boop. Oh shit, too big. Um, shit. Where's its vertices? What? If I follow the line, it should be this one? Oh, that looks cool. But oh no, yeah, it's totally fucking with everything. Alright, let's see how this works. In order to make this work, so much stuff would have to be actively adapt and adjusts to your configuration of the engine without screwing it up. Yeah, that's true. Alright, let's save. Let's hope it doesn't fuck everything up. And we'll see what happens. Let's see how this looks. Sport again. Run map. Please, no errors! Holy fuck, that's a lot of errors. Degenerate triangle. So many fucking degenerate triangles. You know what? Let's see what happens when we run it anyway. 45 text likes from... Okay. Level flag 0. Wait, so there's no errors? Oh shit, that's a lot of triangles. Map using power 4 displacements, terrain physics cannot be compressed. Map will need additional memory and CPU. Degenerate triangle. Holy fuck, that's a lot of triangles. Oh, it created a default water load control. Okay, that's thank you. All right. So from my knowledge, what it just did is that it fixed the water for me, and the ground may be completely fucked. So we're gonna see what happens. I think I know which triangles it's talking about too. I'm gonna test that in a minute, but we're gonna see what happens. Something is creating scripting errors. Check the problems. Oh, that's for add-ons. That's not for any of the important stuff. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, wait, I need to turn the game on so you can see the shit show. All right, no graph out of date. Things look to be working. I don't know why this pop-up keeps coming back. Okay, that works. All right, Fizzgun works. The water is there. It looks kind of like shit, but... Okay, that's a little scary, actually. I don't like this water model anymore. It's so dark! Okay, yeah, I think these are the triangles it's talking about. Oh, wait, actually, no, never mind. Okay, is there any triangles out in the void? No. I'm not quite sure. It's kind of hard to explain how much I really played around with this idea in YouTube chat. Speaking of which, the chat box has a weird scroll system for long messages. Yeah. Alright, I don't know which triangles it's talking about. I don't like this water. I'm going to change it. It's a little creepy. And we're going to add a light module just to see if that fixes anything. Alright, so first off, changing the texture, because that's fucking awful. Oh, wait, replace texture. Alt-A, browse. What do these say? I can't, like, tell what they say. The text is so small. We're going to change it to the first one. We're going to see what happens. Oh, wait, I got to close Gmod. Alright, I think the texture has changed. I don't like this brown water. Whatever. Alright, we're going to add a entity for light, which I think is usually on, but oh. Alt. Enter. Info player start. We're going to change to light. Light dynamic. Light environment. Brightness and color. I don't think we need to change any of these. Let's just keep it default. Cool. I'm going to change its position. Do I want to do that? Do I care enough to do that? Maybe not. All right, so we're going to look at the point file. And, load point file. Yep. .lin cannot be found. Oh, that's weird. Why can't I make a point file? That's odd. Alright, so I added more light. God damn it. And we're gonna export again. Run again. Okay. Do we still have the problem with degenerate triangles? Yes, we do. The degenerate triangles do not seem to be impeding anything, so I'm not too worried about them right now. Alright, it's baking the light now. Which means that every, like, load is going to take longer. Alright, well, whatever. Whatever. Okay. So, Alright, Gmod crashed. That's spectacular. So it either means that the lights broke or the degenerate triangles are breaking it, and I don't know which. Or it just crashed from being on for like a while, which, I mean, that happens with Gmod sometimes, so. Anyway, I am going to... Can I add a text box? Hmm. How can I add... I want to add a text box that says going to the bathroom. Oh, text, yep. Bathroom. Add source. Alright, is there a way to check stuff like the resource pool for certain objects might help with diagnose? Yes, I can. It's in the compile window. Oh, wrong. Alright, I'm out for a moment. Okay, I'm back. I just had to, obviously, go to the bathroom. But, let's... Oh. I forgot about this problem of adding lights. Is that... you then have to deal with shit being darker. This is fucking horrifying. Okay. Is this a degenerate triangle or just a little pit? That might be a degenerate triangle. Hmm. Alright. Well. That's pretty terrifying. Where is the environmental light? Whee! Oh, wait. Whee! He's just chilling. Alright, okay, let's change the environmental light. I don't like this thing. Hello, hey, welcome to the stream. we're trying to figure out anything. Outputs, inputs. Can I make the light stronger? Pitch, roll, and yaw. I can change that, but I don't think that'll help. Wait, what the fuck? No, I want. There we go. I don't know why it didn't even have me in the right menu. Okay, ambient scale. Amount to scale to ambient light by when. Let's go 100. Let's see what that does. Color and ambience brightness. I don't really care about color. Spawn flags? Wait, what do you mean by spawn flag? What? Ambient HDR, pick color? Let's go... I don't really feel like changing the color. Brightness? The brightness is what I want to pick. Okay, that did, like, nothing. Spawn flags, pick color. Why is everything based on picking color? Amount to scale the light by when compiling HDR. 100. Let's try that. Ambient color and brightness. Why is it all color values? Oh, wait, because it needs to be white, right? That makes more sense. The angular extent of the sun for casting shadows, highest number are more diffuse. 5 is a good starting value. Let's try 5. Spawn flags? I don't think there needs to be any spawn flags. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh, wait. No, I need to make a point file. Unload point file, and then let's load a point file. That might work. Okay, I don't care. Check the file name. TF, where is the maps? Test 1, that's just not helpful. Why am I in TF2? I need to be in Gmod. Gary's mod. Wait, no, don't I need to be in Hammer? Gary's mod. Gary's mod. Maps. Graphs. Probably not where I need to be. Where do I need to put the... How do I use a point file? I used it yesterday, fine. Why is it not working? How to load point file in Hammer Gmod. That's about setting up Hammer++. It's not what I want. Oh, tutorial. Oh, the whole Half-Life, my saviors. Leaks point files in you. The gold source. This is gold source. It hasn't changed that much. Okay. I know, your point file should now be... Okay, we will now load the point file. Go to the top left, click, and then navigate. Click on load point file. Box should come up asking if you want to load the default point file. Every time you compile a map, you leak in it. The default point file is overwritten with the point file of the last map you compiled. This means that when you click yes, the point file is automatically loaded for the map you... That's not helpful. Too many big words. Okay, why is it trying to give me a separate... Check the point file again. GM. What's the name of this map? Test1 bv2.bmf. Can I just load default point file? Alright. Load portal file? That's interesting. I don't like that. I wonder what that does. Alright, here, okay, we have I. There's also fucking loading all this shit. Yep, here we go. Where are these degenerate triangles hanging out at? I don't know where they are. these degenerate triangles. What is a degenerate triangle in Hammer Editor? Okay, Hammer Editor. What even is what's a degenerate triangle? Thank you. All right. When you're up to your neck in shit, keep your head up high. That's my favorite quote now. Hi, I'm new to mapping and tried using displacements. After I made them, I got a lot of degenerate triangle errors in compile log. I read about it in the error list, but is there any way to fix them other than the deplete unless you see some triangles with a stretched texture or something? No. Okay, is there any way to fix them? Nope, I believe those are warnings and should not prevent your map from running. You should try to fix it only if it really does not affect gameplay. You should try to fix it only if it really does not affect gameplay or you really need to squeeze out some extra FPS. Destroy all the sides. The displacement map the player cannot see won't stop it, but it may help. Try not to squish your triangles together too. Use smaller values when painting geometry. Again, may not prevent it, but it should help reduce the chances of getting an error. Oh, when one person suffers from a delusion, it's called insanity. When many people suffer from a delusion, it's called religion. Okay, that's a funny quote. All right, well, now we're stuck. So degenerate triangles don't really affect the map. I know how they happen now. Is that really going to stop me from using bigger numbers? Probably not. It's all just an FPS thing, so like I'm not particularly worried about it. If it can run on my thing, it can run on someone else's. My computer is not good. If it runs perfectly fine with these FPS errors, it'll run on other maps fine. Because my computer is not very good. So if it can run on mine, fucking it'll run on yours. I know that's the whole like developer thing of like it runs perfectly on my machine, it should run on yours, but like I'm serious, my machine is not good. This thing is not very good. My thing lags on fucking CS Office. If it can do fine on this, it'll do fine on your machine. Hopefully. Alright. Fuck. Light still looks like shit. Where is the light? Okay, yeah, underwater, still terrifying. What if I raise the environmental light? But no, it's gonna be over here, isn't it? Yep. Oop. I wonder what this says. That might be like the center of the skybox. Oh yeah, it's the center of the skybox. All right, let's see if this changes anything. Save real quick. I literally hear my computer fans whir every time I save, export, and run the map. That is not very good. Okay, run map. Okay. Degenerate triangles, you're still here. And then let's open the game. All right, let's see. Have we fixed our little problem? All right, come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right. Okay. So the environmental light is still not working. And I don't know why. It's not working underwater either, so it's not like... Does it need a directional source? Let's... Command failed, Windows reported the error. Oh, whatever. That was just because I opened the thing early, probably. Okay, let's go back to basics. Oh wait, I should take the red lines off. Let's change the light. Oh, where is it? It's up here, yeah, right here. Why am I selecting the sky? I want the light. There we go. All right, let's change it from light environment to a different light value. Light dynamic? Let's just go basic light. Brightness scale, brightness HDR, linear. Or did that say linear? I can't read. My system a couple days ago like fucked up everything, and now everything's default font is so small, and I don't know why. Entity to point at. No, we don't need anything. All right, and then let's fuck around with lights a little bit more. Let's add a light in here too. So let's go. Nope, that's decals. I need entity. Why am I pressing all the wrong buttons? Okay. And then info player start. We're gonna do light. We're gonna pick one to fuck with. Environment, panic light, particle light. That's what that says. Environment light glow. Hold on, actually, let's mess with this one. Let's just pop it in here. What? Why is it? What? Light. ENV light glow. Why did not apply? Oh, is there two now there? Yeah, no, I'm stupid. Okay, cool. Oh my god. Where'd it go? Alright, I have no idea how it got in there, but... Why is it so finicky about where it can go? What? Where is it? Why are you so finicky? Can I make its position more specific? Nope. Alright, I don't know why I can't. Well, we're gonna have this changed then to... We're gonna make it light dynamic. Maybe that'll be more convenient. Oh wow, this is actually like huge. That is like way bigger than I thought. Is it as finicky as... Yes, okay. Can I make it not snap to grid? Make a smaller grid. Can I make my grid even smaller? Oh wait, yeah, I can. Alright, let's see what all this does. It's probably going to bake light, so it's going to probably take a little while. Well, it didn't crash, so that's good. Alright, run map, run map. Okay. And a lot of degenerate triangles. Water fountain. Oh, wait, did I never put a water load control in there? Probably should put a water load control in if it's like manually having to do it every time. Okay. That's good to know, actually. I'm going to Alt-Enter. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. It's Alt-Enter. I pressed the wrong button again. Because I am just so incredibly smart. Wait, what? Hold on. Wait, no, that was the right button. What? Alt-Enter. Why can't I? Oh, wait. Alt-A? No, wait, no, I want his properties. Why is it? You bitch. Why are you doing this? Huh? Do I need to tie to entity? Oh, I did. Okay. Water. Funk, water, analog. Apply. Can I add transparency? Or no? Probably not best. Apply. Control S. Or is it Shift S? No, it's Control S. I can hear my fan whirring. What's export again? Alt B. I should memorize that actually. Since I do this so much. And then F9 is run map. Okay. More degenerate triangles. No water load control manually added. I think. No, yeah, I don't see it in here anywhere. Total triangle count 864. Gathering light. Making the bounces. 3 degenerate faces total. Out of 356. You know what? That's pretty good, actually. That's a lot of fucking square feet. Okay, it doesn't say I had to manually add a water load control. Okay, so that should be good. So we are going to go back into Gary's mod, and we're going to run a little test. Pray that it fucking works. Dorime, platiro, platiro, platiro. Please work. Please work. Please. I beg you. We're dead. Alright. Okay. No light is working. Which is absolutely fantastic. Because that's exactly what I wanted. Alright. Okay, so none of the lights working here. The fucking sun I added didn't work. And this is still dark as shit. Oh, I know, this is just like one of the triangle errors. Well, is this at least working? No. Okay. So none of the lights have been working for some reason, and I don't know why. You should be working. Why don't you? Oh, wait, I was actually done. Why does it keep doing that? Okay. Alt, enter. Seems like you haven't paid the electricity bill. Yeah, I really haven't. I need to do that. Okay, why is this not working? Constant? Smart edit? Constant. I don't know if that should be 1 or 0, though. All this looks fine to me. I don't understand what the issue is. Brightness should theoretically be fine. Brightness HDR should be fine. Appearance should be normal. It's at 100. Constant? What if I just do constant 5? Quadratic. Yeah, looks fine. Percent distance. Fall off distance. Distance at which brightness should fall off to 50% if set overrides linear constant and quadratic parameters. Let's not mess with that. Distance at which brightness should fall off to negligible. And let's not mess with that either. Hard fall off? Nah. Entity to point at? Didn't work in the other room. Oh, wait. I have the game still on. Okay. So, I don't understand. Okay, this dynamic light is stuck in a wall. So, like, I'm not particularly mad about anything with it. So, that I feel like is more my fault than anything. No. Why can't I not delete, like, a portion? You know, let's see what this does. Control S. Alt B. It's exported. And then we are going to take a few seconds and run. Keyboard shortcuts are amazing. Okay, a lot of degenerate triangle, blah, 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 blah. One directional light. Is that Gordon Greenman? Yes, it is. From the hit game Full Life, Full Death. Alright, let's see. This works. Please work. Alright. So I don't think the main light is going to work, but let's just see if this directional one does. And if the directional one works, then fucking I don't know what to do. I think it is safe to say I do not understand how the lights work. Alright, oh wait, I pressed quit on accident. We're gonna actually need that later, so I'm gonna reopen Gary's mod. So I'm gonna look up how light in Hammer editor. We're gonna need a tutorial. How to make detailed lights. I don't need that. How to make realistic lighting. I do not need that. Light environment. That's what I need.
When I started Walton Goggins Goggles.
Alright. Goodbye, ad.
Entity is the best way of lighting up areas of your map. Here is a map without light, and here is one with a light environment entity.
Okay, that looks nice.
For the environment entity to work, you'll have to place the tool skybox texture in your map, since this is where the light comes from.
Okay.
This texture acts as the sky, so place it around the outdoor areas of your map.
I understand that.
To make the light environment entity, you click on the entity on map. It doesn't matter where.
Okay.
Using the selection tool, double click on the entity and choose light_environment.
Alright, we're gonna go pick this one. We're gonna change it to light_environment. We're gonna see what that does.
From the drop-down list.
Okay.
Click apply.
Alright, applying.
At this point, it will look like this. This is because the default angle is horizontal, a bit like the lighting you get just after sunset. So properties again, and this time select the pitch your roll property. Click point at and click somewhere in your map. The light environment entity will look towards the location.
Okay, and then if I just raise it a little bit higher, I have an idea. So wait, let's actually delete this one. So Control X. Let's pick this little guy over here. We're gonna enter his property menu. We're gonna change him to light_environment. And then we are going to apply, and we are going to change his pitch, yaw, and roll to about here. Apply, and then Control S. Fans are turning. Is it done? Yep, it's done. Alt B. Oh, Gary's mod is over here. All right. You need to put yourself into the Benjamin Franklin mindset. Steal instructions from someone else. Yep, that's what I'm doing. And then, oh wait, no, I didn't run it. I didn't run it. I need to run it. Okay. All right. Doesn't look like there's that many errors, so we should be fine. Gathering light, gathering light, gathering light, ambient occlusion. All right, everything should work. Please, 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 please. Please work. All right. This is taking a little bit longer because of the light, isn't it? Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please do not crash. Hmm. Come on. Come on. It says ready to play. All right, let's see what happens. All right. Oh, there's light. I only just realized. Hell yeah. And the ocean. It's slightly brighter. Hell yeah. This is actually great. This is perfect. Whew. It worked. All right. That's pretty good. So, what should we do next? Hmm. All right, my friends are talking about clockwork oranging me. That's not favorable at this hour. All right. Okay. So, now that we have light, let's fuck around even more with stuff. We're going to lower the land even more. And we're going to sculpt this. Possibly in a very bad way. Alright, so let's fuck around and find out. That is not the right menu I meant to press. It's Shift A, not Alt B. Or not Alt Enter. Displacement. Actually, should we carve? No, probably shouldn't carve. Let's just invert alpha. Let's sculpt. Okay, no, it only pushes up. Should I push it on the other axis? This would be X, I think? Screen XY? Oh, no, yeah. Screen XY is what I wanted. All right, let's go in small amounts. Oh my god. All right. If we carve away. I don't understand I don't understand how carving is work. How to I don't understand how that works. Hmm. What if we change it to paint geometry? What if we do like a little bit more efficient? I don't want to do Wraith 2. This is X-axis? Yeah. Wait, no, I need to be on the paint geometry menu to do this, right? Maybe I need it to be on the Y-axis, actually. Yep, there we go, Y-axis. Oh, not what I wanted to do. Alright, it's gonna take a while, isn't it? Oh, wait, I closed out of the menu because I'm just such a genius. Hmm. You know what, maybe Sculpt is actually better. I keep closing out of the menu. This is a lot of faces. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think this is very good. My best guess is that carving works off either existing transformations or exaggerates them. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it exaggerates them. That's my guess too. I'm probably gonna have to use the smoothing tool on a lot of these later. How do I push back? Hmm. Oh wait, I think that's the carve tool, right? How the fuck do you use the carve tool? It's like fucking spinning. Oh wait, just like a fucking broom? That's not helpful. Go back, not up. Fucking whatever. Do what you want. I don't care. Oh, actually, wait. I can just paint that later and make it like rock face. I wonder if you could have like 3 different textures blended on. I wonder how that would look. This is going not great. At least I don't think so. I'm not quite sure. No, I'm not sure anymore. I think I should like lower this. I'm not enjoying how this looks at the moment. Um, nah, maybe a bit lower. Yeah, that looks about right. Because I can just paint on top of that. This I can just get rid of. That wasn't very good anyway. Can I group these together? I probably can. Do I feel like it? No. I'll work on the environment first, and then I'll like work on other stuff. That's not a good spot. All right. So actually, I have an idea. I'm going to apply a clip. Uh-oh. No, I just want to separate them. I don't want to destroy them. I just want to change these into different objects. Hmm. How to separate two objects with a clipping tool without deleting them. How to separate a cube into two with clipping tool without deleting half hammer editor. In a fairly simple, but it does utilize the obscure rip tool, here are the steps. Tab in the edit mode. Key Control R and move the cursor around with the pink suggested loop cut is dividing the... What? That's Blender. That's not what I want. Hammer clipping tool, that's what I want. This is exactly what I want. All right, so select the clipping tool, select the object to be clipped. Select the clipping tool on the map tools bar. Drag the line across the selected object. This is the clip line. The part of the object to be kept will be highlighted in white lines. Cycle through the clips by clipping the click tool icon. When you are satisfied with the potential result, press the enter button. Okay, wait, so I think there's a way to do it without cutting them in half, or like destroying half of it. So we're going to clip, and we're gonna cycle through. That should work. So that, please don't break, please don't break, please don't break, please don't break. All right, learning Blender stream when I decide that Blender is simpler to use than Hammer Editor. Okay, I think I must have broken something. Cause no, yeah. Wait, no, it's different now. It's different now. It's different now. Alt A. We're gonna change to the rock blend. We're gonna change to sand and stone. Apply. Yeah, all right. I like that. That's all right. Doesn't this look nice? Hold on. I actually like this texture way more than the others. I'm gonna. Wait, no. Is this the same texture? Just hold on. It's actually just the same texture that I fucked up earlier. Yeah, it is. All right, cool. Doesn't this look so nice though? Oh, this looks so good. Like to a point for a beginner. It looks good. I'll eventually learn Blender. I do want to learn it at some point, but it's like right now maybe not. I don't know. All right, we're gonna sculpt. Actually, no, let's not sculpt. Let's paint geometry. That's easy. No, wait. We got nice texture, lads. Yes. All right. Actually, I have an idea. Let's downsize this a little bit. So like that, and that, and a little bit of this, just so that we can have it smooth out onto the top of the this. Yeah. So let's do a little bit more geometry painting right here. Holy fuck, this is not great. Wait, can we sew? Can we sew these together? Actually, no. Let's sculpt a little bit more, and then we'll sew. That's Z. I don't want Z. Why can't I go in a specific direction? We worked. All right. Yeah, let's just like implode a little bit of this, like a plastic surgeon or a butcher, depending on how you see it. Actually, should we push this in this way? Yeah, let's push it in a little bit this way. Hello there. Hey, welcome. Please say that you don't understand hammer editor so you see how stupid I am. Uh, okay, now y-axis. Let's see if this changes anything. How do we do today? Better than yesterday. We had a really big error that we couldn't figure out yesterday. Still have no clue what caused it, but we don't have said error today. But depending on how bad this work is, we might get that error back. All right. We're gonna get so many degenerate triangles from this. It's probably not even that funny. It's just gonna be bad. Wait, why is this? Why is there an overhang? That's something I should fix. All right. But today we're working on making a hammer editor map for practice. And this shit is weird and very finicky. Degenerate triangles, what did they do to get called that? I have no clue. Someone at Valve was just like, you know what would be really funny? We just named them degenerate triangles. Why? Oh. Will anybody understand it? Probably not. Are we going to make sense of it in our documentation? Fuck no. Alright, let's sew the two together now. So we're going to sew. Oop, oop. Shift A, displacement, sew, apply. This is not working. I don't know what's happening. Should we see if this just works or if it doesn't? Let's see what happens. Well, actually, let's see if we can sew it here. That doesn't sound fun. All right. I don't know what to do. Well, what we can do, because I feel like this is going to cause a problem. So you may remember me from 2 interactions I think we had on the Palladium server, lol. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't recognize your username. But yeah, I was on the Palladium server. I just don't remember everyone who was there. I remember the Palladium, and then I think the one Sloth person who was helping the investigation a little bit, past that. Oh yeah, Indomitable Sloth, and then past that, like, yeah, no, I don't remember anybody. I have very small memory. Not great. I forget people very easily. No, I wasn't expecting you to. Yeah. What the fuck? Why? Fucking. Because then we have the problem of this not having faces. And that's no bueno. Fucking this way. You know what? There we go. That covers it up nice. His brain got 8 gigabytes of RAM and a half. Yeah, and all of them are going towards trying to sculpt this to not crash. I hope you're excited for another 5,000 page script. I can't say too much, but big things are in fact coming this year. Oh my god, no. Ugh. Fuck. Damn it. That's can I sew these together yet? I can't go back. Alright, wait. What if I try and sew? Of course. Wait, did it actually try and attach things? Oh, well, let's see what happens. Control S. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Wait, what? Wait, Control S. There we go. Alt B. Should be working. F9. Okay. Going to Gary's mod. Cinematic universe. Oh my god. I tried to start the script for that video. I got 2 paragraphs in and I was like, I don't remember anything that happened. Like, I was trying to give a little, like, basic summary for those who hadn't watched the first 2-hour-long video. And then I got, like, so overwhelmed because I'm like, oh my god, I don't remember anything. Oh, where am I supposed to be? Oh, yeah, okay, wait, no. Let's open Gary's mod. GM test B2. Fucking, I don't know. Alright. It probably wasn't a great idea to cut the 2 surfaces now. Mush did such a banger video on it. You gotta check it out. Yeah, check out the 2-hour-long Andrew Game 722 video. I should probably change the thumbnail for that one. It's got like 49,000 views on it, but... Uh-oh. Alright, I don't know how the fuck I did that. Okay, yeah, as I kind of expected, this broke a little bit. Just a little bit. Is this just the water being... Okay, no, yeah, that's just water level. That's pretty negligible. I should lower the water level a little bit. How deep does the Ender Game 722 rabbit go or something? Yeah, that sounds about right. It actually isn't as bad as I thought. Does the sewing work? No. I wonder how the sew works. Alright. That's a very interesting spawning way. Oh, cross. Didn't recognize the word palladium though. Yeah, palladium was part of it. It's just a very very long part of it. Okay, I don't know what to do. Did Indomitable Sloth make a follow-up video for theirs? Hold on, I'm gonna look it up real quick. Um, what's it? Indomitable Sloth. Did they ever make a follow-up video? No, they only have one video on it. The player haunted by his own shadow. Oh, that looks like an interesting one. Their Andrew Games video popped off though. That's impressive. The lore goes back almost 10 years. Let me tell you, it's I'm out of the loop. There's been a cinematic universe. It's in fact too large. All right. I'm gonna look up more about how the sew tool works. How does sew tool work in Hammer Editor? Displacement. The sew tool in Hammer Editor is used to connect the edges of two or more selected displacement surfaces. To sew two or more displacements, select the displacement surface that should be sewn together and press the sew button. The vertices of the base geometry of the displacement need to align for it to work. Vertices of the base geometry. Okay. So, oh, okay. No. I understand what it wants. So, fuck, where are the base vertices? Oh. Yeah, that's gonna be a little bit of a problem. Actually, no, it's probably not gonna be that bad. I just need to align. Can I sew them now? So, I don't understand.